I am making severed fingers, and this is how you do it. Severed fingers, how do you make it? You take some of the dough and you just squish it like this, then you take your rolling pin and keep rolling. Like it's nice and flat. Take your hot dog, then you put it into here, then you just roll it. Then you put it like this, then you roll and roll.
Oh boy.
Till it gets all flat. Onto your hot dog.
Don't think of it. Don't think it's a plant.
Then you wrap it some more because you made me mess
Oh,
up.
Eva.
You really want to have a grown-up doing this with you?
You do?
Yeah, because if you start knife with somebody not watching you, it will cut you, and you need somebody to watch you. You want to make a lot of them. See, my hand has a lot, so there we go. Then you take your fingernails. Let's set it on here. Look at that. Then you can you can see.
All right, put it over here on the pan. Okay. There we go. Some severed fingers for supper.